This is F6 and it's a global launch of this product here and several technological features of this machine. One, it is extra high precision machining. Second is the traverse of this machine more goes with how the industry needs. So it's not a proportion of X and Y axis. The Y axis is a little longer, go more into squarish, get into a lot of PMI, medical, multi-cavity mold. I'm Raghav Badhya, President of Makino India Private Limited.
So let's start with the front side. This is actually a very wide door that we are developing. So the door size here is actually much wider than the previous series. This is about 930 millimeters. And the motivation when we design this machine is mainly on two things. Number one is actually for long-term thermal stability. So as my previous colleague has already explained, this machine is actually developed for die and mold industries, where it's actually focusing mostly on the long-term machining. We can see later on the sample around here. This is take about 20 hours to develop, and we maintain about accuracy that is very precise. Now, in the second motivation that we developed for this machine is actually to support the automation side, where you can come into some of the P feature here to have a side door that we can replace to an automated door. So in the way that we are supporting for Industry 4.0 and automations. Now, we look at the flexibility on this machine where operator can just work on this front door side, and at the same time we can also bring it here to the side here where operator can work from this side and develop, you can have a flexibility where you want to orientate the machines. Yeah, so I think in terms of specifications of this machine, we develop about X900 millimeters, Y650 and Z450 millimeters. This is actually more than enough to support the wide range of die mold industry, which focusing and getting more and more into a squarish kind of mold. So in addition to this, we can also have the front side here to clear the chips, and it's very easy, and we have a very large tanks that can support for long-term machining stability as I already explained earlier.
Makino represents technology and we have several products targeting at very high precision industry, semicon, aerospace and a lot of products which caters to very high precision industry.